In this video, we're going to be taking a look at these sliding window locks that were sent over to me to test out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at these locks, then I'm going to install one so that you can see it in action. Let's get into it. So this is what you're going to get in the box. They sent me over the 4-lock kit, so I got 4 locks. Each one of the packages comes with its own hex key, and they also give you this here vertical key. So basically, if this here goes on the outside ledge, you can use one of these hex keys here. If you put this here on the center ledge, then you can use this hex key here to get in front of the ledge. I'll show you guys an installation here in a second. They also give you a installation reference guide here as well. So guys, these here basically are, feels like an aluminum material. You got these large nuts here to compress down on the ledge. So now basically they're going to have one of 2 ways to secure it on the inside. They got this rubber mat here for your thinner ledges, and then you got this plastic mat here for your thicker ledges. These here basically are just going to protect your ledge so that you're not damaging your windows and stuff. So basically guys, these here are going to go over the ledge. You're going to use your hex key to secure it down. Once it's all secure, you basically can control how far your windows open, or if you want them to open at all, with these here locks. They are very secure with that rubber tab under there. It holds on to the ledge very well and prevents the window from opening. So if you guys are looking for some added security for your sliding windows, I highly recommend these sliding window locks. Hope this helps.